Hey folks, how's it going? It's been a hot minute since I've been able to post anything, so I apologize. It's been a little while. Anyway, I wanted to basically talk about the law. All right, now I'm not an attorney. I'm not an expert on the law. This is more of an opinion based on the concepts of how people perceive the law. Because a lot of people perceive the law as being this brick wall that they cannot pass. Okay? And for the moral majority of us, and I'm talking about the real moral majority, the ones that actually respect ethics and respect ethical law enforcement and actually respect, decent humanity. Okay? We try to abide by this. Now, the reason we abide by this is not because this is some invisible force field. It is because it is a social contract that we got into with our founders, with the establishment of the United States. And our founding fathers knew this. They knew it was a social contract because a government held in power by the people had never been done before in that time. And the thing is it is a social contract because unlike a dictatorship or a monarchy, it is not enforced by military rule. Okay? So the issue is this. We engage in a contract with those representatives who are in the federal government, state government, whatever government, that when we elect them in, that they will abide by the laws that are set in the constitutions of the federal government, the state, the statutes, so on and so forth, that they will abide by law. But when they ignore law, when they feel they are above the law, when they skirt the law, when they basically ignore even the very spirit of the law itself, that contract is broken. They expect us to adhere to laws that they themselves do not adhere to, and oftentimes try to just make up laws as they go and expect us to adhere to them. At that point, that social contract is broken because if they are not expected to follow the law, then we should not do in the same. They are not our parents. We are not children. We are consenting adults that voted them into power. So with that said, basically what I'm trying to get at is they want to play that game. Fine. For now, quit acting like the law itself is like this brick wall you cannot get past. Instead, play their game. Play the rules like they do, because that's not what they're expecting. They're expecting decent human beings to behave like decent human beings. So instead, be like them. Anyway, it's just an opinion. Just like assholes, everybody has an opinion, especially this guy. Take care.